In this video, I am explaining about what is int data type, what is the purpose of int data type, how to represent integer data, and how many different ways are there to represent integer data in the Python programming. Int is one of the predefined class in Python which is treated as a fundamental data type. The purpose of int data type is that to store integer data or integral values or whole numbers, which is nothing but numbers without decimal places like student number, account number, Aadhaar card number, hall ticket numbers, etc. Along with this int data type, we can also store different type of number systems. In Python programming, we have 4 types of number systems. Number 1, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. These number system values also we can store by using int data type. Let me show you this part as a part of coding in Jupyter Notebook. Let me go to the practical illustration of int data type. When we come to this Jupyter Notebook, let us take a is equal to 10, print of a comma type of a, which is printing the value called 10 is an integer literal, a is an object of class called what? Int here. I can do that code for adding of two numbers. A is equal to 100, B is equal to 200, C is equal to A plus B. Print A and type of A, which is an int type. Print B and type of B, print the value of B. Print C and type of C, and then print the value of that. This is called one simple example on int type. Along with this integer data, we can also store different type of number systems values. When you come to decimal number system, it contains the digits 0 to 9, total digits are 10, so that the total digits of the number system will become the base. The base of decimal number system is called 10. Hence, all the base 10 literals are called decimal number system values, which are understandable by all the human beings in day-to-day activities. But when we come to binary number system, these binary number system values are understandable by OS and processors and gives final result. How to represent binary data in Python programming? I'll write the syntax and then I'll show the code for it. Syntax for representing binary data. Syntax is variable name is equal to 0b binary data. In other way also we can write it, variable name is equal to 0 capital B and I can say binary data. Example, A is equal to 0B1010. This is called binary data here. This is the binary data. This binary data, whenever I print it, internally, the binary data value is converted into decimal number system, because Python is one of the high level language. When I execute it, you are getting the value called 10. So, in our fundamental stages, you know how to convert the binary data into this decimal. When you take another number called A is equal to 0 capital B also we can use it, 1111 we can say, and we can print that it is an equivalent integer data is 15. This indicates even though I represent binary data which is by default converted into decimal number system. Let us coming to the octal data. Syntax for representing octal data. Syntax I am going to write it. Syntax is variable name is equal to 0o small o octal data. Octal data contains 0 to 7 digits. Total digits are 8. So that base 8 literals are called octal. When we represent octal data, Python programming internally converts octal data into equivalent decimal number system value. Consider the example. Variable name is equal to 0 capital O, also we can write it, octal data. If I look at that, A is equal to 0O17 I am writing, which is octal data. This is octal data. Octal data, when I print it, it is treated as what, integer data. That is called int data type. The 0117 octal data is equal to 15 in decimal number system. If I say A is equal to 0 capital O, you can write it 1, 2. When I print this octal data, it is going to be taken as what? 10. This is the octal representation. The internally octal data is used in representation in microprocessor kits. When we come to the last number system called hexadecimal number system, it contains 0 to 9 and A to F. Total things are 0 to 15, total 16 digits are there, 16 values are there. Hence, base 16 is called what? Hexadecimal values. To represent hexadecimal values, we use 0x hexa value or 0 capital X hexa value. When we observe the hexadecimal values 0 to 9, A to F, the internal value of A in hexadecimal is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is what? 13, E is what? 14 and F is 15. So A to F in hexa represents 10 to 15. So when I look at the example, syntax for representing hexadecimal value, variable name is equal to, I am writing 0x hexadecimal value. Also we can write it, variable name is equal to 0 capital X hexadecimal value. When we come to this example, A is equal to 0x, I say capital A. Print this hexadecimal data into equivalent decimal value, which is going to print 10. A is equal to 0 capital X, F you write it. Print of this A, comma, type of this A, which is going to print 15. When I write it 0x AC, if I write it, print of A, comma, type of A, which will print 172. This internally converts into what type? Equivalent decimal number system value. So the conclusion of this video is, we learned about int data type. With this int data type, we can represent not only integer data, we can represent different type of number system values. So for more videos, subscribe Naresh IT channel. Thank you.